and gentlemen, the zombie sniper! Good blue travel fast! I'm the Killer Bee! Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's more Rangers and Ghosts. We need everybody to step back from the fences. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned while standing trackside not that long ago, safety first. Those trucks are remotely controlled as well as having an onboard starter. You'll see a gentleman or a lady on the infield with something that looks much like a remote control for your remote control race cars or boats on the lake. Like a joystick. That's an automatic kill switch. So if one of these trucks was to get awry, the person on the infield can shut that truck off. It's something that's very common in the nitro divisions of the National Hot Rod Association. Those safety measures are being checked down. So we're going to have a freestyle competition here. It's a friendly competition. You're going to see them do slap wheelies, cyclones, better known as donuts. Oh yeah, and they're going to use these crush cars, not just to crush the cars, but to try to get some air beneath these behemoth machines. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Gotta get the feel of the 72-year historic quarter-mile oval known as Riverhead Raceway. Here they come. The Killer Bee! Let's get some air! I'm not watching the doors. The Killer Bee. Looking to get some momentum here. Ladies and gentlemen. I hope nobody left their groceries in those cars. Let's see what the Killer Bee can do here. Those cars good and flat for his upcoming opponents, perhaps. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Truck number 1, the Killer Bee! Don't forget, after the races are over, you can go take a look at these trucks up close and personal as well. All the NASCAR stock cars in the pit area. Once we get these monster trucks parked safely in the pits, we'll open the pit gates for you to see these competitors up close and personal. Yeah. Getting ready to go. The zombie sniper! Here we go. Sean O'Brien. Your posse, it's gonna get dirty. Come on away! pretty good here at Raceway. Up and away! Flat wheelie up here! Carry that baby to the figure 8 intersection. Up and away! The fifth dimension with Bob Fire. Here we go. Oh yeah! Look at that, baby! Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen! The zombie racer! Oh yeah, getting some big time! Look at that! Come on, are you kidding me? Don't try that at home!
Enjoy the show.
Okay, SR Motorsports, light up those cell phones, ladies, and go big time here! Keep those cell phones lit, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Okay, SR Motorsports! Don't forget, August 3rd, Wednesday night, the world-famous Figure 8 stock cars and a school bus demolition derby.